Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. I bid to everyone watching this video. We are from group number 4 from FD3 tutorial and we will be presenting about machine learning. Before we move on, let's introduce the handsome members of our group. Firstly, we have Ahmad, Sayf, Alim bin Hassan. Secondly, we have me, Dani, Syahmi bin Azimin. And thirdly, we have Chin Yue Herng. So, what is actually machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the algorithm and statistical models that enable computers to make decisions from data instead of being explicitly programmed. So, in simple terms, it means that when a computer learns from examples instead of being told what to do. I've also provided a YouTube link in case some of you want to learn more about the basics of machine learning. Moving on, there is also a test called the Turing test, which is created by the scientist Alan Turing. It is designed to evaluate whether a machine can inhibit human-like intelligence. So how does this test work? A human judge will communicate with both a machine and a human, and based on the responses, if the judge can't differentiate between the machine and the human, it is said that the machine has passed the test. I've also listed the current progress of the concept of machine learning, for instance, the generative AI, autonomous system, personalized machine, and etc. etc. So for the next subtopic, I will be passing the mic to Ahmad, Sayf, Alim.
Thank you, Dani, for the presentation. Hi, my name is Sayf, and today I'll be talking about three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Let's begin with supervised learning. This approach uses labeled data, meaning the input is paired with the correct output. The algorithm learns from these examples to make predictions. For example, if we want a model to identify cats in images, we train it with many labeled pictures of cats. Supervised learning has many real-world applications. In medical diagnosis, it can predict disease using patient data. In finance, it helps forecast stock prices by analyzing past trends. And in education, it can automatically grade essays by learning from human mark examples. Now, let's move to unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, this method works with unlabeled data. Instead of being told the correct answers, the algorithm finds hidden patterns or structures on its own. For example, in retail marketing, unsupervised learning can group customers by their shopping behavior. In cybersecurity, it helps detect anomalies such as unusual login activity. And in social media, it clusters users into communities with shared interests. Finally, we have reinforcement learning. Here, an intelligent agent learns by interacting with an environment, receiving rewards or penalties based on its action. The goal is to maximize reward over time. Some applications include robotics, where a robot learns to walk or pick objects. In gaming, AI agent can even defeat human in chess or video games like Dota 2. And in self-driving cars, reinforcement learning helps vehicles stay in lanes, avoid obstacles, and follow traffic rules. So, in short, supervised learning uses labeled data, unsupervised learning works with unlabeled data, and reinforcement learning learns through trial and error with rewards. Together, these three approaches form the foundation of modern artificial intelligence. Thank you. I'll pass it to Herng.
Thanks, Sai, for his presentation. I'm Chin Yue Herng, and now I'll be presenting about the applications of machine learning. In almost every aspect of life, machine learning is beneficial for people, no matter what industry we are in. As we can see right now, in healthcare, they use machine learning in disease diagnosis, drug discovery, and personalized medicine, predicting patient readmission. In finance, they use machine learning in fraud detection in transaction, algorithmic trading, credit scoring, risk assessment. In retail and e-commerce, they use machine learning in personalized product recommendation, such as Amazon, Shopee, Lazada, customer behavior prediction, and targeted marketing, inventory management, and demand forecasting. In manufacturing, they use machine learning in predictive maintenance of machine, quality control via computer vision, supply chain optimization. In transportation and logistics, they use machine learning in self-driving cars such as Tesla and Waymo, route optimization for delivery services, and demand forecasting for ride and hailing such as Grab and Uber. In agriculture, they use machine learning to crop disease detection from image, precision farming, and yield prediction. In energy, they use machine learning to smart grid optimization, energy demand forecasting, predictive maintenance for power plants. In media and entertainment, they use machine learning for content recommendation, automatic subtitles and speech recognition, generative AI for music, art, and video. But why they use all this machine learning? Industries use machine learning because it helps them automate processes, reduce costs, and make smarter data-driven decisions. It also improves efficiency, personalization, and innovation, giving companies a strong competitive advantage. As a conclusion, machine learning brings numerous benefits for everyone. Thank you.